Hello Elementor is one of the most used theme on WordPress. Right now when I'm recording this video, you can see behind me that there are more than 1 million active installations of Hello Elementor. But there is a problem. Because it is a minimal theme, that's why it don't have many functionalities which are supposed to be there in every WordPress theme. And Sidebar is one of them. Hello Elementor don't have Sidebar. And I see that there are a lot of people who ask questions on Quora and many other websites that how we can add Sidebar. So I thought, why not let you do this? So I am going to tell you how you can create sidebars in Hello Elementor, and not only that, I will tell you how to do it in multiple ways so that you can select your preferred method and the one that is more suitable to you. So let's start. So what I did before I take you to that, right, let me just show you. Here we have themes and we have two themes, Astra as well as Hello Elementor. Right now you can see Hello Elementor is activated, and because Hello Elementor is activated, that's why here if you look closely, I'll zoom it a little, there is no widgets option. Perfect. Now I'm going to activate Astra theme, and what will happen now? Now you can see there is widgets option available. And if I go to this widgets option, I will see that there are multiple types of headers available. Main, header, footer bar section, this. So multiple options are available. Now let's switch back to Hello Elementor and see how we can activate a sidebar. So I'll go back to themes and switch back to Hello Elementor. Now, how will I activate sidebar here? So Elementor, that has made Hello Elementor theme, they have written about it how you can add a widget menu option or basically sidebar into your theme simply by writing this code. You can do that. So we'll do that. So what I will do, I will take this, I'll copy it from here and then I'll go back, and where will I paste it? That's very important. If I paste it in theme file editor and then functions.php, if I am changing my theme, I will lose this sidebar. So I don't want to make this mistake. That is why what I have done, I have installed another plugin which is known as Snippets plugin. So let's go to Snippets plugin and click on add new. And here I will add my plugin. So I'll say this is a sidebar. And now I am going to write that code here. And I'll say run snippet anywhere. Let's click on save changes and let's activate it. Once it is activated, if I refresh this page now, you will see that widgets option is available while Hello Elementor theme is selected. Perfect. So that is how you can enable it. But is it the best way? Let's see. Let's go to widgets now. How many sidebars do you see? One. What if I want to have more sidebars? Then what to do? Difficult, isn't it? So what I will do here, I'll go back to the snippet and then I will edit this snippet again. And I will copy this line, last line, register sidebar, and I'll paste it again here. Finally, I will save changes and that's all. If now I go to widgets, I should see two sidebars available. Perfect. But unlike Astra, that was also giving us the names of the sidebars. Here, name of the sidebars are fixed. Sidebar 1, sidebar 2. If I add one more, then it should be sidebar 3. I have never tried it, but let's now see it. I'll save changes. I'll refresh this widgets page and here I see 3 sidebars. Okay. So what if I also want to change the name of the sidebar? Also, you may be wondering why it is really useful. So it allows me to put sidebar in my template. So I can use sidebars. Once I move this sidebar element or sidebar widget here, then I can select from the existing sidebars which are available. So sidebar 1, 2 and 3 are available. Okay, that's really nice. But what if I also want to give the name of the sidebars here? Then this code is not sufficient. It doesn't allow me to give the name of the sidebars. So I have created few codes that will help you to do that. Right now, I was using this code. You know that if I wanted to create multiple sidebars, what I have done, I have copied it and pasted it multiple times. Now, if you want to add a sidebar, then this is the code you are supposed to write. You will write this function. It has name as well as ID for the sidebar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this and come back to the snippets tab. I'll paste the snippet here. I will save changes. Now, if I refresh widgets, now you know sidebar 1, 2, and 3 should not be there. Let's refresh this. And what happens now? There is only one sidebar. Name of this sidebar is custom sidebar. If you want to rename it to something else, let's say I am saying that this is our posts sidebar. Then I will simply change the name here, save changes, and then come back here and refresh this. Perfect. So we have post sidebar. Now, what if I want to have multiple sidebars using this type of code? Then what to do? I have created this option that has multiple sidebar capability. Don't worry about the code. I will post it in the description of this video. You will find a link where you will find all these code. So I'll copy this now. And here you can see I have created multiple sidebars. So one is custom sidebar, another one is footer sidebar 1, and similarly like this. And you can use these codes into any theme that don't have support for sidebar natively. So I'll come back here and I'll paste this code here. Finally, I'll click on save changes. And then if I come to widgets and I refresh it, I will see 4 sidebars because I mentioned 4 sidebar here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of these sidebars are also available in Elementor. Let's see, I'll refresh it. And then if I bring sidebar widget here, which is already there, let's now select sidebar and you can see custom sidebar, footer sidebar 1, 2, blog sidebar, they are available there. Perfect. So that is how you can create multiple sidebars. Now I do not need to tell you, if you want to have more sidebars like Astra, just copy this line and paste it after this. Give it any name. Obviously you need to change the name. Let's say I am saying this is footer sidebar 3. And then I'm also changing the name of this. I'm saying footer sidebar 3. That's all. Now, if I save changes, what will happen? If I refresh this page now, obviously in widgets also I will refresh and you will see footer sidebar 3 is also created. Now you can add widgets here and finally you can use it in Elementor simply by selecting the correct sidebar as per your requirement. So that is how you can activate support for custom sidebars in your theme. I hope this video was useful to you. Let me know if there is something else where you need my help, whether it's related to Elementor, WordPress, WooCommerce, or whatever it is. So I'll see you in my next video now. Thank you very much. Bye.